Good Friday, Divergence traders. I did some trades today, and I like to show them to you just for fun. Because according to Mr. 1970s shirt, let's just call him that. Yeah, with the leopard on it. He says that everybody on YouTube, nobody's there to help you. Everybody's just there to scam you. That's what he says, you know? Well, let me tell you, Mr. Leopard Shirt, on my videos, if they were live stream, they're not live stream, you could rewind it and replay stuff. Oh, but you have that setting turned off. Hey, Mr. Leopard Shirt. Yes, you do. And do I delete videos? No, but you sure do. Why do you delete videos, Mr. Leopard Shirt? Huh? Some people have their nerve and gall. Okay, we got a high and a higher high, okay? But that doesn't mean anything. That's bullshit, according to Mr. Leopard Shirt. I tried this trade today for fun. It was before the open. The open is right here. On this candle right here. Sandwiched between this one and this one. Okay? There's the opening. My stop was right there. The entry was right here on the opening of this candle. And my stop was right there at the swing high for about 9.5 points. This is the 1 minute chart. Did it come back up there? No. No, it didn't go up here. Okay, it almost did. It almost hit it right here. But it didn't. It kept coming down. And I closed it down here because it finally broke through here. So there's the one trade. Now, down here, there was no divergence. This trade I jumped in because of how fast it was going up. I just kind of thought it would probably keep going a little bit farther after a big run up like that. So I got in, and up here, how did I get that fill near the top of the wick? Well, quite easy. I waited. Remember how I told you when the market's going up, like right here, it's going up, right? I kept telling you it rolls back and rolls back and goes higher and rolls back and goes higher, rolls back and goes higher. So I waited for it to do a roll up before I clicked out of the trade. And then this trade right here, let me show you, is simply they call it a 1, 2, 3 or a 1, 2, 3, 4, some fucking thing like that. There's 1, there's 2, there's 3, and then you buy and it takes off. 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, and it fucks off. See that? That's why I did this trade. Had nothing to do with divergence, okay? No, it's just some bullshit because nobody helps people. Nobody helps people to win. Nobody, according to Mr. Leopard Shirt. Okay? Big fucking mouth leopard shirt. He's such a fucking wingnut. Yeah, and people come and watch you because they think you're such a fucking idiot the way you talk to people in your stream, telling them to fuck off and whatever else you say. It's like, grow up, man. Grow up. You're like 35 years old and you talk like a fucking like a 10-year-old or a 12-year-old that learned how to swear. That's what you do. Anyway, but don't worry, Mr. Leopard Shirt. I only have about 5 or 6 views a day, so it isn't going to harm you in any way. But somebody might tell you that I talked about this today. how you say nobody fucking is here to help, and I am here to help, and people know that. But anyway, and I'm not saying that trying to make sales of my course either. That's another thing he said a long time ago. Anybody selling a course? And then he sells one for $600. You ever notice he hasn't talked about that ever since then? Does he still have it going? Or did he just take your $600 fucking dollars? I think he just took your $600. But anyway, you gotta know what he's all about when you go to look at the video again that he just done and it's gone. You can't go look at it again because he probably lost that day. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, he's got his nerve to call other people, like we're all the assholes and we don't help people, and that's not true. That's not true. Okay, that's enough about Mr. Leopard Shirt. So anyway, right here we have divergence. I was stopped trading by then. But anyway, we had a high retracement, higher high up here. You can see it stands out at you. It was divergence, and it was a winner. I didn't get in up here is where I should have got in. I was distracted. I wasn't really looking for a trade at that time. And then I seen it come down here and I went, oh, I missed it. And I got in with this one, right? And then it went up and it gave me the price that I should have been entering on, which was somewhere up here, right? So I said, I'll sell it again. Why not? Let's have two of them going. And down it went, and it broke that fucking wick, and it went zoom right there. I said, I bet you this is the best I'm going to get from this trade. So I took it because I knew I had an 80% fucking thought in my head that it's going to go back up here again. And sure enough, that's what it did. It went back up here. But anyway, the next setup was right here. It was a sell. It was divergent. It was hidden divergence. Yeah. Try and find that there, Mr. Leopard Shirt. Yeah, hidden divergence. Yeah, that's too hard to look for that. Yeah. All that he does too is he buys because he knows that most of the time the market goes up. There's no skill in that. But anyway, he says everybody's trading demos, everybody's an idiot, everybody's an asshole, and every time something goes wrong on his side, he deletes the fucking video. And so did Tanja. Yeah, Tanja, she started fucking deleting videos too. I wonder where she learned that from. Yeah. Anyway, all these people who love to talk bad about people, it's just not right. Just not right. You got to talk right. So anyway, there was a sell here, and the stop was right at the swing high like always. Did the price come back to the swing high? Fuck no. Why is that? Yeah, why is that? 23 pips points it went down. This is the NASDAQ, eh? This is the 1 minute. I want to remind you. This is the 1 minute chart on the NASDAQ we're looking at. It doesn't move far enough and fast enough to trade it on the 5 minute. These past few days anyway. That could change. We don't know. Maybe near the selection time, not the election time, the selection time. The markets can get very wild then, let me tell you. That's coming in the fall, I guess it is. So anyway, the market's gone sideways now. Let's move on now to the pound yen. Oh, we're looking at the wrong thing here. I'm sorry, that was a different platform. Oh, yeah. And that's why I was on there on the 2 minute, or on the 1 minute. I don't have 2 minute charts on MetaTrader. Okay. There it is. Anyway, so let's move on now to the S&P. What did it do? Oh, it was much It was much smoother than the NASDAQ today. See the little blue doodads? Yeah, they're in the right place for a reason. Okay, double top. Right there. And we measure down from the blue doodah, just like that. And that gives us a double top divergence setup to the downside. So right on the opening of this candle, I know it seems crazy to sell like that close to the top, but these signals, this is what they do. It's divergence, man. You know, it's divergence, and it went down 16 points from that entry point. And then down here is another trade. Basically double bottoms. See? Just like that. Then you draw that up like this. And it's pointing up, so it's telling you the price is going to go where? Up. It's going to go up. Yeah. Right there. Get in. Stop at the swing low, 19.5 points on the S&P. And it went up almost 7 points. So there you have it. Yeah, and once you got in right in here, I have to ask you this question. Did the price come back and get your stop here? No. And then we have a double top, right? Yes. And we have this coming down like this. So this is pointing down. So which way do we anticipate with a very high probability? Where's the fucking price going, ladies and gentlemen? It's going down because it's pointing down. It's going down. There you have it. Right here. Stop at the swing high. 5.5 points, and it went down 9 points. It was good. It was good. And then the Dow. Oh, look at that sidewinder. Okay, we have two trades. We have a high and a higher high. And right there, down into there. And we have beautiful setups today. So you would have got short right in there in between the UK session and the beginning of the US session, and it went down 87 points on the Dow. Now, do we have divergence in here? I don't know. Let me see. That's it's like a double top. Yeah, yeah. It's like a level double top is what it is, okay? Because we need this to go up across like this, or a higher high. Let's say it's a higher high. See? That's coming across level, and that's a higher high. So that's level divergence, ladies and gentlemen. Something I made up in my head that I kept seeing over and over and over again. Got to get some water here. Yeah. So we would have got in here. Stop would have been at the swing high, 72 points. Did we get our 72 points? Yeah, we got like 160. We got 2-to-1 win-loss ratio. That was beautiful. And how about the pound dollar? Remember I was saying yesterday, if the NASDAQ is too wild for you, trade the fucking pound. Trade the pound. And on the pound, you can leave it on the 5-minute. If you put it on the 1 minute, it will just show a bunch of chop slop. So look at that perfect double bottom, okay? And there's divergence up here too. Let me show you. There's a double top, and there's the divergence right there, pointing down, meaning it's going to go down. Okay? Then we have a double bottom right here. And we take it from this up to there. See how it's pointing up? That means the price is going to go up with immense probability. That's right. That's right. Look at that. All the way down. Now, oh, I have the hiccups now. Let me show you something here. Now, oh, it's over here. I don't even have to do that. It's over here. You see this? You see this? Yeah, well, let me make it smaller so you can see it. See right here, and on the way down, all the way down, red, 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 red. But then it starts turning blue in the ASMA. What does that mean? Oh, that means trade coming, incoming trade, incoming trade. So we draw it to that little pullback along the way, okay? And we grab it from the top of that. Right here, top of the blue mountain. So what is that? That's hidden divergence. Is it going to give us probability? No. Because it's hidden divergence. That's why it won't. Only higher highs, lower lows, double tops, double bottoms. Those are the ones that give you the idea of where it's going. Right here, double bottom. It gives you which way it's pointing. When you put when you put the stick on here, it's pointing up. It means the price is going to go up, and that's exactly what it did. What's going on here? Oh, my mouse scroll button's getting screwed up from me pressing on it all the time to bring the crosshair out. Aha. Anyway, so over here you would have got short. The stop would have been at the swing high. And it went down 19 pips with no drawdown and no going back to the stop loss right here. Okay? This is the entry point and it went down. Then we had a double bottom right here. Oh boy, here comes the phlegm again. And right in here, it went up 31 pips. Okay, with a 12 pip stop. And then up here we have high retracement, higher high, right? Just like that. Would have sold it right in there. Stop loss was 8 pips, 8.5 pips. And it went down 14 pips. But let me ask you, when you sold it right in here, did it come back up to where your stop was? No way. Yeah, no way. So there it is. That's the pound. That's the pound dollar. Sell, win, all the way down. Sell, win, all the way down. Double bottom, buy, win. Win, win, win. How do you like them apples? I forgot to put the arrow on, didn't I? Right there. 3 trades. No, there was 1, 2, 3. No, there was 4 trades. All of them winners. All of them would have hit your 1-to-1 win-loss ratio if done properly, measured from your stop loss. Gotta love that. No, I'm not here to help anybody, right? No, no. I've showed this to you day after day right before your eyes. I don't, stop you from watching the video. I don't delete videos. I just show you where the setups were. And I can see them all in real time. Real time, ladies and gentlemen. And so can you if you take the practice to look for it. I don't care what anybody says. Mr. Leopard Shirt thinks he's got the best whatever in the world. I don't think so. I believe I have the best strategy in the fucking world. I'm not a person who brags about anything, but this, yes indeed, 100%. I show it to you every day. Look at all the fucking winners right here, right in front of your face. Let's go to the euro now. What did the euro do? Oh, the euro wasn't as bountiful. No, it's just looks like a roller coaster at Wally World. Hey, Wally World? Yeah, but we'll show you right here. Double top. Double top right there. What about over here? No. There's some trades in here, but you see the little blue doodads in there? Yeah, there's. I'll show you one. Here's a trade in there. So if you would have got short right here, how much did it go down? 14 pips. But yeah, there was a trade there. For the little blue doodah over here. Anyway. There. I showed it to you. What else can I say? There's no divergence down here. It went up. Well, it's only 4 pips. You could have done it if you wanted to, but it's just not clear. It's just roaming hills here. It's the euro. Pound yen, what did it do? Oh, it was ugly too. Well, the yen was going up, the pound was going down, so it made this choppiness all the way down. Yeah. Made choppiness all the way down. There's probably some trades in there. I don't want to go and find them. I just don't. Because it didn't really go anywhere. It's just kept crossing up and down, but there's one like right here. Okay, I will show you this one. Right there to there. That's not cherry picking anything either. There's probably some shitty trades over here, or no trades at all. It looks like there's a trade, but there isn't. There. There, that wasn't very good. Oh, you might as well just disqualify that and say that you deleted the chart. Let's say we deleted the chart for the pound yen. Let's see what the euro yen did. Ah, yeah, it's shit too today, but it has one divergence set up right here. So you would have got short there and it went down. Wow, it went down. Euro yen went down 48 pips. And the stop was at the swing high, 9 pips. Now I got to ask you, once you sold there, how much drawdown did you have? And did it come back here to get your stop? The answer to those two questions is no and no. It did not. Oh, look what we finally have, ladies and gents. We finally have one of these. Higher close, sell it, down it goes. And it went down good too. How far did it go down? 36 pips. And then there's another one. Double top right there. See? Somewhere in here you would have got in, right? Right there. Stop was 14 pips. Did it give us 14 pips? Look at that. It just gave us 14 pips. So you would have got maybe 12 or 11 or 13 out of it. That's it. And then now we're going to look at oil. WTI. Yeah. Oil was so good before, and they knew it, and they knew people were making money from it, so they just fucked it up. Yeah, that's what they did. They just fucked it up. That's what they did. So you would have got in right in here. Stop at the swing high, 21 points, and it went down 60 points to the bottom. And we also had one of these. Higher close, sell it, down it goes. Here's another one, even though it's not a higher close, but it's still, it closed down where it opened, see? So that also counts if you were looking very closely, like I told you to do, right there. So it was close to the 5. See, the cross, the upside down cross was very close to the 5. So when it closed and this one opened, you would have sold it and down it went. 29 pips almost. Points, pips, ticks, whatever. This is oil. Now let's look at the last instrument of the day. Gold. Oh, look at that beautiful trade. Oh my goodness. Goodness golly gee beef. Just taking a breath, getting a little bit of water from the magnificent Great Lake of Lake Huron. Very good water. That's God's water, what I'm drinking. Let me tell you, it's pure. It's pee-free. Did you know that 80% of the water is recycled? So all that pee and poop went through there, and then they treated it and got that all out of there and pumped it through your tap. And then you pour it out of your tap and you start drinking it. I do that with my when I make a cup of coffee, I do the same thing. So, but I boil the water first, right, in my kettle, and then it's like steaming hot, burn you, scold you. Then that should kill out whatever last germs are in there. But yeah, they take out all the germs. But I heard that if they didn't do that, there would be some big problems with water shortages. We already have water shortages in places. But this place where I get my bottled water for my cooler, it's pee-free basically. Yeah. It comes straight in from Lake Huron into the city called London, Ontario, not London, England. And yeah, good water. Make you feel good after you drink it. So here it is. Here's that setup. A high and a higher high. You should definitely, drink bottled water. If you don't have access to that, then you should get a filter or something. It's just not wise or smart to drink regular tap water. Maybe if you boil the shit out of it first, yeah, then it'll be okay. But yeah, see, I give you guys lots of good advice, not just about trading divergence, but all kinds of things, see? And right here, well, it got short right there. Stop at the swing high, 56 pips, 56 points. And it went down 60, 65, 66. Right? Now, when we got in the trade right here on this big upside down cross, I have to ask you this question. Your stop would be placed right there. Did the price ever on its way down, did it ever come back up here and hit your stop today? No, it didn't. Is that something you can teach, Mr. Leopard Shirt? Fuck, I hate when people talk shit about people and it's not true. Oh, that burns me. Anyway, thanks for listening. Thanks for watching. Have yourself a great Friday afternoon and weekend. Good luck and good trading.